Now, Grandpa said he likes the water too. That's the water for the birds. The water for the birds, and the birds really like that water now. Come try out the puddle, Wesley. Now this is the first time we've brought Wesley outside in the rain. He's not quite used to it yet. Yeah, that's what rain is. It's water. It's water. It gives the trees and the bushes a drink. Yeah, the trees and the bushes get a drink. That's rain. Now Wesley tried out a puddle. It's wet. That's water. That's kind of close to where the ants are. Maybe a little further back.
Okay. Yeah, let's try the water right here. Look, look, look. Look at the water right there. See the water right there?
Oh, you're splashing! Yay! Splash back to Grandpa. It's okay. It's okay if your feet get wet. Do you want to splash back? Oh, he found letters. On the recycle can, Wesley's found the letters and numbers. Letters and numbers are some of his favorite things. Yay!
Wow!
Wow, what do you think of the rain?
Wow! Yes!
We get a lot of rain in Houston. It's pretty normal. Oh, you're splashing in the puddle. Stomp. That's a puddle. That's called a puddle. It's just where the rain...